Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2009 Volvo V50 metallic silver finish with a 19-inch Volvo alloy wheels. The vehicle's got roof rails and rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats and a luggage cover in the boot. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks and headlamp washers. Contrasting velour interior with 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department, and for your safety it's got front side and rear airbags. Here we have the electric windows and mirrors. And it is a 6-speed manual transmission. It's got multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side, heated seats, air conditioning with a doors on climate control,
and rewards plus members earn points on every purchase.
It's got phone, Bluetooth, hands-free connectivity, auto rear dimming mirror, AM/FM radio and a CD player, and in the glove box we have the user manual. This was the video walk around of the 2009 Volvo V50. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.